Cars and Coffee Classics in Anaheim, California. Show you some of the best cars. It's a van. Oh, you're okay. I don't even know what kind of van this is. Damn. It's a nice little van. And we got the 3000 GTs. This black one over here is badass. The raised wheels.
The engine is sick.
Thing's sick. Is the lineup? No Z31 though. Come on, man. I didn't wash mine, so I didn't want to put it in the show. But it's all right. Got a lowrider-ish. Oh, look at that. FC. Another one. Integra. And we got the Lambo. This is supposed to be a Japanese Cars and Coffee Classics. I don't think this is a classic, guys. Or I should say a Japanese classic. I really like the color on this one. It's like vibrant red, like cherry almost. And we got this thing over here. This guy went all out with his Star Wars vibe.
What?
That's crazy. These little nice little trucks. These are always cool to see. And then what do you know? There's actually a Z31 that pulled up. This is like an 87, 89. Next to, you know, a bunch of 240s. So I like my Z. You don't really see too many of them. This is cool to see. Never seen one in person. Functional lights.
Okay, y'all, please come to the center
cool.
intersection. We're about to do this thing. One person, one. Come on.
Wow, look at that steering wheel.
Let's go, y'all. We're about to do the announcement.
I'll pull up to the other
Rest of
side.
Show winner, please come to the center intersection. The winner's vehicle will be invited
That's
to
so
the
cool.
center of the intersection. Yeah. So we do things a little different here at Cars and Coffee Classics. We got a gang of cars. The Hot Wheels racetrack guys, they handle this every month. Give it. Okay. Dorian, Seabass. You guys make sure to follow Dorian and Seabass Hot Wheels racetrack. These guys run these meets. They kick ass. They bring in the youngsters to the meet, and old guys too. Everybody can compete. But we're gonna go ahead and give them their prizes. Okay. Speech. What are you gonna do with the money? What are you gonna do with the money?
Buy anything that I want.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Probably ice cream, but he's gonna buy anything that he wants.
Anything I want.
Yep, that's right. So Isaac here was the lucky winner, or I guess not lucky because he actually brought his car and tested it to make sure that he would win. So he's not lucky, he's skillful. He's the winner today for 50 bucks in first place. In second place, we have Clinton right here in second place with 30 bucks. And third place, we have Dylan with 20 bucks. Show the money, show the money. Show everybody that this was a real tournament that we had. There it is, you guys. Thank you everybody for competing, and we'll hope to see you again next time. Back to Izzy.
All right, you guys, let's give a round of applause. Hot Wheels Racetrack, they do it every month, bringing the community together, youngsters, old guys, anybody that loves to race. Big Jeff, where you at? Big Jeff. Where's Big Jeff? I don't see Big Jeff. You guys, everybody knows Big Jeff. There he is. Go talk to him about ZCon. ZCon registration is open. Man in the blue shirt, he's an angel. Everybody loves Big Jeff. Register at www.zcon.org. Miss Motorhead, where you at? You guys, let's give a round of applause for Miss Motorhead, her team, Lane Drifters. She kicks ass down from Ventura. We actually made it a 2-day event, so we all hung out last night. We did a night drive, and then we're doing it again this morning. We're gonna keep doing this at least semi-annually. And please follow her account. That's Miss MS Motorhead. Also Lane Drifters, please give her a follow. Blow her up. She does it for the love, y'all. Shout out to your team, right? Subi Chick. Car enthusiast against takeovers. Who else we got? She's focused. S-Fam. Our model, Justin.
You know what? I think he's the actual.
This is a lady-driven event. Well, you know, what can I say? He did a few push-ups. So he will be presenting the winner. Now, we have one winner and only one winner, but that's a problem. Because there's like 200 cars here. All the guys left, but there's like 200 cars and one winner. So what we do is we have 2 guest judges. Come on up. Miss Motorhead and Sandy, S2K Bandita. So what we do here at Cars and Coffee Classics is we pick 2 winners. Not a first and second, it's actually 2 first place. How do we select the winner? Young Jeff has a coin. We shall toss into the air and one side will land. That will be the winner. The other side, no one will know. Forgotten. Into the abyss. It could be your car. We're not sure. It's classified information. The winner will be invited to come forward in their car. So let us know who you are when you win. Fernando and young Jeff will get you and bring your car here in the middle so everybody can look at it and touch it with their fingers. And don't touch it, I'm just kidding. But take lots of pictures of whoever the winner is. Please blow them up, tag us. There's 2 sides to this coin, but only one shall land. You guys, snap a picture, catch this coin in the air. It's a fateful moment. Lady driven. Are you ready? The lady asked who's ready. Go ahead, young Jeff, send it high. Car number 116, 2003 G35, Juan Riggs.
Where is it?
Please identify. Okay, is that her? Okay, jump in your car. Go back. You guys get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Have her come up. All right, we're gonna have this car come up to the front, and like I said, everybody can take a look at it. We're gonna have her pop the hood, look inside. She's gonna get pictures. We're gonna shake her hand, show her some love, everybody. When she gets out of that ride, let's give her a round of applause.
Yeah.
Damn! So most G35s have the VQ35DEs, voted as one of the best engines in the world. Oftentimes, the VQ35 is treated unfairly, but it can take the abuse. Let's go ahead and open up the hood, let them look inside, take some pictures. All right, photographers, please stand back and let our main photographer do his thing. Let's go ahead and welcome the winner, 2003 G35, Miss Paul Riggs. Give her a second, you guys. Let's let the main photographer do his thing. We're gonna go ahead and welcome Hua right up to the front. Come on, Hua.
Nice. Well, that's a wrap. Until next month. Got FC. It's pretty dope. That was cool, huh? Always smoking. Might want to get that checked, homie. So did you have fun?
Yeah, I did.
It's cool.
Nice.
Yeah, it was cool. Yeah.
I like the winner.
Whoa, what the hell? That's crazy. How come this one wasn't in the show? What the hell?
Yeah, you're late.
What? That's crazy. I don't know, guys. This thing is sick.